Hey there, social media enthusiasts. Have you ever wondered who is dominating social media in 2024? Well, today we're diving into the world of Imran and why he's taking over the social media scene. Imran has been making waves in the digital sphere, and his impact on social media in 2024 is undeniable. From his unique content style to his engaging strategies, Imran is changing the game. But let's not forget the competitive landscape of social media. Content creators like Imran face challenges every day to stand out in a sea of influencers. It's not easy, but Imran has found a way to shine. Imran's success can be attributed to his one-of-a-kind content style and engagement strategies. His presence on various platforms has allowed him to connect with a wide audience and gain traction like never before. Now, let's talk about the moment that changed everything for Imran. A viral content piece, a breakthrough moment, whatever you want to call it, this was the turning point in his social media journey. In summary, Imran's journey on social media is a testament to his hard work, creativity, and dedication. His success is well-deserved, and the impact he is making in 2024 is truly remarkable. Before we wrap up, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Imran's social media journey. Join the conversation and stay tuned for what's next.